this tutorial is starting from Substance Painter. So I think you can see how you can export the OBJ from Substance Painter and then clean up shader from Blender. You have to re-export OBJ to Substance Painter. Okay, so this is a this is a little bit basic step. So let me show you how to you make your custom painter PBR texture creation in Substance Painter. So first, for the you can go to the file and new, and then select the PBR metric rough alpha and blend, and then you can select the file. Then you can select the file, example from Blender, context, and then you have to select the resolution. It's 4K for now, and then normal. If you wanna render the Blender, you can select OpenGL, and then you can select the UV, the tile workflow, then OK. So now you can import, and then also you can check the old UV tile. It's from Claude 3D. Now, then you need to save first. To save, and okay, so then first of all you have to separate the layer based on your different fabric material. So this is you can go to layer and then just select the layer first. It's empty, it's very clean. Then you can click the add fill layer. Then first of all you need to change the little bit the red first, because this one is easy to see the color. Then you can create the group, add a group. Then you can drag onto your group. Okay. Then select the folder and then right click the mouse, and then you can click the add blank mask. So which means when you create the mask, it's a complete black, so they don't have any the color is not showing here because it's a black mask. So now you have to click assign to the color in the mask here. So for example, this the fabric, I have the two different material. One is for the leather and the fabric, the black. So I think the shirts and arm is black. So then you can go to the polygon field here, select, and then now it's a white color here. Then you can select. It's easy. So now you select I'm going to use the black the fabric material here, so like this, and then you can select the color here, then black. Okay, so now, and then other one, this one is leather. Okay, so you can click another fill, add a fill layer here. Then it's the same thing, click the add group, drag onto the group, and then right click and then blank mask. So for example, you can select just temporary, you can select the green. So you select to the mask, and same thing as fill, and then select these two. Right. So now this is a leather, and you can change. This one is black. Okay, so this one is fabric, and this one is leather. Then you need to save. So this first I'm going to show today is very basic the step. Then you have the two layer. So one is for to the group. One is for the leather. One is the other one is the fabric. Okay. So this is a starting point. Okay. Then mostly in the substance, the painter also, they is showing the substance 3D asset in the browser, or you can go to Substance 3D asset. Then you can select the very high quality material library from Adobe Substance 3D asset. So how to do? Go to collection. So if you go to the collection, there are all of the material library. Okay, so for example, the fashion and apparel and product design, and then also sports air. You can select what you want. So for example, and then also they got something very the fancy the material library. So in here is thousand of the asset you can use the material. So for now you can go to the fashion, and then you can select the material here, type, and then also material for the select all. Then you can see all the material here. So for me, I'm going to use more like maybe fabric, just a simple fabric for now. So maybe I'm going to use maybe brush, even paint the fabric. It's download. Then once download, you can go to folder, download the folder. Then you can have this one and drag onto this one layer. Okay, so once you drag on the Substance Painter, you can see here, but you need to control the size, the scale. So how to do? Go to here and then drag onto the here. So you can change the scale like this. It's very high detail. Or you can go to attribute here. Then you can select the preset here. Go to parameter, then have the matte. There are many different material here, preset. Like this, and then also you can change the color here. So color, I want black, very black, like this. Okay, I like. And then also color too, you can change the color to in the black, maybe a little bit. Like this. so something very realistic. Okay, that's nice. Then let's find out the ladder. So let's go to 3D offset. Then you can find out ladder. For example, let me go to collection again. Then I like the ladder from automotive interior. Let's go here and material select. Then here there are a lot of different the ladder. Okay, here. So I like all of the material here. So set this, and then go to find out the better ladder. Yeah, so I like this ladder. So download. Go to Painter and then go to download. Then here's ladder. It's the same thing. Drag onto the ladder layer. So you can see the ladder here, but so you can see the scale is too big. So scale down to match the right size of the scale. Okay, then also you can select the brown. There are many presets here. So green, yellow, like this. So I'm going to change the black. Everything is black. Nice. And then also you can change the scale. Okay. Okay, that's good. Then one more thing, maybe this one. I needed to adding some fabric here, so slide here, and then also add fill, then group, move, and right click, add a blank mask, then select this polygon fill and drag. Okay, then let's find out some fabric here. So let's go to library and then find out the fabric. I think this will be wire, so let me try this one. Download. Then go to download folder. This one and drag one from here. Okay, here. Good. So it's very easy. If you use the substance, the library. Okay, good. Okay, so also I wanna add the texture here. Okay, so which means I need to go to Photoshop and then make the texture for the arm. Okay, then before that you can save. In the Photoshop, I just creating some word, some text here, and then you have to make sure the alpha on the back, so you can save as a PNG. So texture, the logo, cross, yes, okay. Then back to Substance. So you have to make sure to save. Then you can go to texture. Yeah. Then you can go to the folder. So you can drag onto the here. Then you can select the logo, and then you can select the texture, then import. Yes. So now you have the import the logo here. So then you can drag on drop to here, and then select base color. So now you have the texture here, but texture also is automatically overlay in the actual fabric. So in here we have this. Then if you wanna just use the UV, so which means just go here, then projection, you have to select UV projection. So now you can project in the one UV. So rotate and then scale down, move here. So you can make a texture here, some cross here, like this. I'm gonna create more here. Okay, like this. Good, nice. And also I wanna copy here, so easy, just duplicate layer, then you can move here, then you can the minus, like this. So you can put into the texture what you want. It's nice detail. And you can select here, match the same position. Okay, good. Then you can just save. Okay, so let's export texture, PBR texture to the Blender. So file and go to export the texture. Okay, then you have to select the output directory. So go to from Substance. Select the folder. And then you have to select the size. I usually use the 8K here. Then go to the output template. So you can select the PBR material roughness here. So this time I don't need to just you can you need base color and roughness, metallic and normal and height. So height, just close this one. Then normal map, you have to select the RGB here and then clear channel, because this one is the DirectX, so we need to use the OpenGL. So click and clear channel, then you drag OpenGL into the here and RGB channel. Okay, so all is okay. And then you go to the setting here, then you can export. Blender, so I think you have the Blender file from the Mixamo. So first of all, you need to create the new collection, and you can import the OBJ. So this time is the MDD cache, so which means you have to select the wavefront OBJ. Go to, you can select OBJ first, and then -y forward, and then you select the key path order and import. Okay, then you can go to modifier and then add modifier. You can select the mesh cache. Then you can select the file path. You can go to the folder. You can select the MDD cache and accept. So when you connect the MDD cache, the time remapping, axis mapping is changed. So you have to up to -G. But sometimes it's not right, so you can select the time. Okay, it's okay. Then this normal is something, I mean, we need to adjust. So go to here, and then you can select normal and uncheck. Now it's perfect. So let's try the rendering. Just before that, you have to go to the rendering setting here. Then you have to render engine to the Cyclops and click render. Okay. Now you have the older character and then garment here. So from now you have to import all the PBR texture from the Substance. So first of all, you have to save. Okay, it's good. Then you have to split. So in here, just the mouse, you can see here. Then right click, and then you can select the vertical split. Then you can make the split. Okay, it's nice. Okay. Then you can select here edit type. You can go to shader editor. So if you go to the shader here, this have include many material, right? Because this older material is from the Claude 3D, so we need to connect all the texture for each material. So we need to check the which material, we need to check each material where. So which means select this material first and go to display, viewport display, and you can click, and then you can change the color. Okay, this is arm. Okay, so you need to identify each one. So green, this one is should be leather, so purple, and this one. This one is only for the viewport. It's not rendering. So you can check. Okay. So first of all, select this. Then you just select. So I think you need to activate the Add-on plugin to import multi UV channel UDM that I already posted in my YouTube channel. So please check my other Blender tutorial. So select and then Shift Control T and go to the texture. So from substance to, and then you select by the name, select all and import. So now it's automatically connect, but you need to make sure this one for the UDM. So each one select UDM. So let's do all of the material to assign the all of the texture. all the material setting is done, so now you need to create the camera. So the Shift A, and you can find out the camera here. Okay, so go to the top. So on the top, Shift A, camera, and then you have to go to X and rotate. Maybe that's 90. Then move, and then you can select here the view, camera, set activate. Then you can go to resolution. So if for the TikTok you have to change the ratio. So like that. And then also you need to go to camera and then change the focal length. So maybe the 30, 35. Go to here. Like that. Okay. And then front. And then you can select Shift A and go to empty on the plan axis. So select maybe the middle, then select the camera and shift select the empty and Control P and the object, which means you can control the camera easily, or you can easily rotate the camera. So let me a little bit adjust. So adjust the camera, then play. Okay, it's good. The character is positioned just stay in the place. So I want to move the camera, move my character in the forward. So Shift A and then empty, and then you can make the cube and make the little bit same scale. The character. So now when you play the character is in the position. So you can create the empty the box to make sure the same size with the character. Okay. Then you can select the armature and shift select the cloth, and then select the empty axis. And then lastly, you can select the cube and Control P and then object. So So now for example, if you move this one, it's move, everything's smooth, it's good. Okay, so go to the first frame and select the cube and the keyboard I, and then you can select the location. Then go to 41 frame, and then you can move on to here a little bit, then I and location, then select all of the keyframe and then keyboard T, and then you can select the linear. Then when you play, its character is moving. Okay, this is a very easy way. You can control the camera, and then also rotation, and then also you can make your character is moving forward. So if you play, it's moving. Okay, now hide the armature, so you don't need to have the rendering. Okay, so all good. Okay, let's start creating the lighting. The A and then mesh and then cylinder. Okay, then you can go to edit mode, and then you can select the face here and drag and delete, and then face. So okay, and then go to object mode, and then go to set to geometry origin, and then now you have the ground, and then you can scale up. Infinity, something like that. Okay, now you can see the perfectly horizontal line. Okay, let's set up the lighting. So first of all, you need to select the cyclos. Okay, then go to top and shift A, and then click the light, and then the area light. So G, and then G. I need more top lighting, the scale. Then you can turn on the rendering cyclos. You can click the lighting, and then you can change the intensity. So maybe 50. Okay, it's good. Then you have to copy this one. G. And then you have to select the key light. So key light means it's more from side. And rotate. Then you have to more increase, because this is a key light, and then maybe thumb light, reduce, then you can go up. Then also you can copy key light, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then rotate the move, and this light a little bit reduce. And also you need to create the fill light, so Shift A, light, area light, so rotate, G, okay, so get up, and this one maybe 50. So if you want to see the key light, then you can change the color, see how impact the key light. So you can change the direction. Right. So okay, this is good. Then you can change the white. Then a little bit reduce. Sorry. Okay, good. After that, you can select all the light. Shift. So select all the light. And then top. Wait a minute. All light. Top. And select the cube and Control P and the object. So which means the lighting also follow the animation. Okay, now it's almost done. So now you can change the background. So now you can go to world, select here, and then you can select the sky. Go to the sky texture. Now render. And the strengths. Then also you can adjust the lighting. It's too bright, so key light, 20, and then the fill light, 10, and then the backlight is okay, and then top light. So okay, then let's assign the ground material. The ground material, select ground, and then use the new material, and then here you can reduce roughness, and then increase matrix. So you can see it's very realistic depression here on the floor. Let me hide. Okay, so between the sky texture and ground, there are some, showing some, like a dark area. So maybe we can adjust dust here, so a little bit. So it's completely, the blend between the ground and the sky. So it's very beautiful. And then the rim light still is very bright. So let me check. top light also is very bright. So a little bit adjust.